Stephen Brazil, Senior Director at Dell Technologies, where I manage the third-party partner program. We focus on enterprise partners that complete Dell solutions, generating significant top and bottom line dollars to Dell's balance sheet. Schneider is a key member of our partner ecosystem, and I've had the pleasure to work with them for several years. I'm looking forward to delivering this discussion in our new normal way of doing business, the home office versus on a stage or on a recording booth. So hopefully this goes well. During this presentation, I'd like to take you through a brief overview of Dell Technologies and our Edge strategy, then dive deeper into the Dell-Schneider relationship and the key wins that we've driven together. So who is Dell? Dell Technologies provides the essential infrastructure for organizations to build their digital future, transform IT, and protect their most important assets, information. Dell is a collective force in innovative capabilities trusted globally to provide technology solutions and services from the edge to the core to the cloud. No company is better positioned. But at the end of the day, we have one purpose, and that is to create technologies that drive human progress. Our vision? Become the essential infrastructure company from the edge to the data center to the cloud, not only for today's applications, but for the cloud-native world we are entering. Our strategy: lead the transformation of business through IT, workforce, security, services, and application transformation, and lead the consolidation of core infrastructure markets in which we compete. A core focus for Dell this year and beyond is helping customers accomplish their goals at the edge. But what does that mean? Today, data is no longer created, consumed, and stored in traditional data centers or even in the cloud. It is constantly flowing from a variety of sources and locations, many of them wireless and unanchored. At Dell Technologies, we understand that businesses face multiple constraints. These constraints influence what the right edge IT solution should be. Constraints that include location, environment, space, power, bandwidth, security. Edge computing is all about how businesses can overcome these constraints with products that are engineered for the edge. The Dell Technologies point of view is to create solutions that are system-wide, prescriptive, and value accelerated. System-wide. Break down siloed implementations, cut down on shadow IT, and avoid the need to support solutions after they've already been adopted by the lines of business. Prescriptive. Cookie-cutter solutions won't cut it. IT needs to address challenges at the edge with a curated combination of solutions that are thoughtfully engineered for the edge. Value accelerated. IT must transition from reactive to proactive, making decisions with an eye to how they can create value quickly for the business. The result is a constant approach to deploying applications, operating infrastructure, and managing data across the totality of your data estate. Dell has a complete portfolio of enterprise-grade technologies that allow it to lead in this space. Dell Technologies Cloud combines the power of VMware and Dell EMC infrastructure to make hybrid cloud environments simpler to deploy and manage. Dell EMC software-defined WAN, SD-WAN solutions combine the industry-leading SD-WAN software with Dell EMC appliances to deliver branch access to cloud services and private data centers. Dell Edge Gateways are ruggedized intelligence devices that aggregate data and support analytics at the edge of the network. Dell Data Protection quickly and easily protects critical business data on desktops, laptops, USB thumb drives, external storage devices, and more. And Dell's converged infrastructure offerings simplify IT and transform operations by bringing together compute, storage, networking, and data protection into engineered solutions and validated designs. From a product perspective, Dell offers technologies that address the wide array of edge applications and use cases. From data collection to complex machine learning, Dell's edge portfolio is positioned to address the complexities and constraints of edge environments. That's Dell Technologies. Now let's look at how our partnership with Schneider has enabled us to deliver even more edge solutions together. Dell and Schneider have had a long relationship spanning many years. Schneider is the exclusive provider of Dell badged racks and UPSs. Together, we partner to design modular solutions for our customers, some of which are very unique, and I'll take you through them later in the deck. We have a team of internal resources that focus purely on Dell Schneider customers, architecting solutions for their complex and varied needs. There are many examples of how Dell and Schneider have partnered in joint go-to-market activities. One of the most recent examples of this was announced recently at our sales kickoff event, the creation of the Dell Technologies Cloud Platform. Why is this of interest? Well, other than being an amazing solution for our customers, it also showcases how Schneider partnership is helping complete Dell solutions. Depending on the configuration, you will find APC racks, PDUs, and UPSs providing the backbone for the solution. APC software monitoring of the included PDUs and UPS is fed into Dell's supportability and automation requirements. I've talked about Dell and our long-time relationship with Schneider. What better way to wrap things up than to take a look at some of the unique solutions we have driven together. Down in Australia, New South Wales Police Force needed to expand the data center without disrupting daily operations. Years of reacting to point-in-time needs and ad hoc IT purchases created constraints on future expansion due to limited physical space and power and cooling. Dell and Schneider worked together to create a future-ready data center. The solution included in-row cooling, power capacity for both current and future needs without disrupting the day-to-day activities that were going on whilst we implemented that solution. Moving to the seas, a leading provider of floating production and storage vessels, FPSOs, had a unique challenge driven by the distributed nature of their business. They had issues monitoring performance, tracking alerts, and managing the servicing of new and old UPSs. These FPSOs are effectively floating data centers, and the complexities involved in managing them require robust remote management solutions. The solution provided utilizes Schneider's EcoStruxure IT Expert software to manage infrastructure health and performance. Unique challenges require tight partnerships to develop unique solutions. Moving to Europe and the UK, a hospital needed to expand their data center capacity without expanding the current physical footprint, and they needed to do that in a very tight timeline. The Dell Schneider solution not only accomplishes the capacity requirement, it did it in less space, allowing the hospital to reclaim rooms that could be utilized for revenue-generating activities. All this was accomplished within the tight timeline provided by the customer. On to the US. Bluebird Bus Company manufactures school buses, those iconic yellow buses that you see in all the Hollywood movies. This is one of my favorites, mostly because it's one of the only ones that when I actually talked about it, my kids listened to me. The customer was challenged with the need to grow their data center footprint and lacked the available space in the current building. Dell and Schneider developed a smart shelter modular solution for them. When complete, the customer asked if we could make it look like the school buses that were parked around it in the parking lot. Of course we can. So we wrapped it, and as you can see in the pictures, it looks exactly like one of those school buses. Unique solutions. To recap, Dell and Schneider have a strategic partnership that we leverage to build tailored solutions for our customers. From single UPS units to fully realized data centers, we work together to build technology solutions that are right for you. I look forward to seeing how we can help you achieve your IT transformation. Thank you for your time.